This is our 2001 Haas VFOE that we are selling. I am the owner and operator of this machine. We've upgraded the lighting to the LED lighting. These guys are actually magnetic and they're movable. The carousel has been completely replaced. Got some new switches on both sides and a new motor and a new clutch. The way cover was replaced on the Z-axis about 2 years ago. It has a new monitor and it also has a USB. A list of the features and other accessories and other parts that have been replaced will be listed below. RPMs. The scrapers in the back I replaced about every 2 years or so. It's 3,200 RPMs. No tooling or vices or anything will come with it. I do have the original table mount for shipping for the spindle. $5,000 RPMs. Very strong machine. It is a 7,500 RPM machine. You go to 75. Of course, it has the P pool on it as well. Move the axis around for you a little bit. Some Z. So it's extremely quiet. X. The Y-axis screw was replaced about 9 months ago, maybe a little longer than that. And then we did have it completely did the laser ball indicating on it, and it's very, very good. This machine was running up until Friday of last week. We'll do a walk around. The windows were replaced about maybe 4 months ago. I usually do that about every 6. I also did add the window blast in there. That actually works very, very well. And then, like I said, this motor is brand new. Just the standard cooling pump on there and tank. So Machine Tool Services, or if any of you guys know this guy, Aaron at CNC Repairman, his dad owns the company. are the only people that have worked on my machine. So there's a complete service record of the machine. And then there's a serial number right there, and then the year of manufacture. If you guys need parts for any of your machines, reach out to this guy right here. It's just your standard oiler, air filter, and intake. It does have 4th axis board in it as well. This machine is outfitted with high-speed machining, macros, spindle orientation, rigid tapping. And then the lighting, as you can see inside of there, we went ahead and plumbed it into the original box. So the switch on the side does work with it. And of course the original manual. The last parts that this machine was running, we actually do a lot of firearms manufacturing and modification. So the last parts that this machine was running were Glock slides, machining for an optic. It's a kind of a small operation, but it is a 632 thread mill hole, and this machine holds amazing tolerances. This is a very, very tight machine. It's made me a good amount of money. It'll make somebody else a good amount of money, or a good hobby machine to put in your garage. Please see the listing below for further details on pricing, location, and all of that. Thanks.